Let's make this amazing gluten-free and vegan tortillas. The only thing that we need is a mixing blender. We add all the ingredients there step by step and the tortillas is ready. Now we add the linseed, which we soaked in water first. Take the dough and we play a little bit with our hands. Our dough is ready, and as I say, the products that we don't have gluten inside, they are not elastic. That's why if you want to make a layer of gluten-free products, you have to use these two cooking papers. These papers will help you to make a nice layer. Some gluten-free flour, and then we take a piece from the dough. And we open it. Our tortilla is ready. I will add my ingredients. I have lettuce, avocado, fresh tomato, and this amazing and unbelievable vegan feta. And I will eat it. Gluten-free people, you will love it.